Name is Abhijit Chatterjee, 21 in the list. Okay, yes. So I have a company. My company name is Abhi Technologies. So what we do in Abhi Technologies is we provide IT solutions starting from hardware, software, networking, security, and cloud. So this is a running business. So I started this business in the year 2000. So it's 2025. So it's around 25 years in company. So I just tell you what I have done before starting this one. So I'm a double MCP. I'm a worldwide topper. And MCP I scored 1,000 out of 1,000. And before I start this business, I was in uh, Compaq. At that time, Compaq and HP was a different entity, and then I switched over to another company, SK International, and that company is a Bombay-based company, and they also provide similar kind of IT solutions to large corporates. So they wanted a branch manager who can open a new branch in Delhi and handle the entire operations, marketing, business, entire thing. So with the given, taking the permission with them and all those documents, I came to Delhi back, and then I started a branch in Delhi, and then hire people in different categories, and started the business operations. So the business was within 2 years. The business was going very well. So then I thought that if I can, you know, uh, open a new branch and work for somebody else, why can't I do it for myself? So then I started my company, and it's been long, and we work for Indian Railways, Supreme Court, CBI, then IIT Delhi, then a lot of non-government companies also, like Power Grid. They have 10,000 plus employees. So we work different segments. Uh, and currently we have, apart from this all five segments, we started another segment, which is I was talking to someone else. This is demo machine. So what this demo machines is like there are a lot of in outside India there are a lot of departmental stores where you can buy everything, from starting from milk to egg to stationeries to mobile phone, laptop, and all. So as we specialize into IT, so we procure all those demo machines, which these company refresh every 6 months, 1 year or so. So these are the brand new machines. We procure them and sell them in India for around one third price. So suppose if a laptop costs you, whether it is Dell, HP, or Apple, if that costs you 1 lakh, or probably 1 lakh 50,000, we provide them around 50,000 or below that. If it's a cost 60,000, we one third is 20,000. So we provide them around 20 to 25,000. So this is why we are doing business. So my purpose of coming here is to to give my business ideas, or I want to join. If somebody wants for a co-founder, then I can use my business ideas. I can give suggestion what you should do, what should not do. Being a technical guy, I can also promote how, with the help of business, how with the help of technology, we can grow our business or start our business. If this is they are starting from the scratch. So this is the idea of my coming here, and in case if there is any questions, you can ask me.
What kind of things are you working on right now?
We have five divisions, as I told you. So we started long back in the year 2000. At that time, we started with hardware. So we provide hardware solutions starting from at that time, talking about 2000 2001. We started with assemble machines. So when we assemble the machines, People says that when you are supplying us 20 30 machines, why don't you take care of this one? After the warranty you can take AMC also. You started AMC also. Then people says we are now open one more office, so we want the entire networking over there. At that time LAN was very popular at that time. So why don't you do the entire networking for us? We want server also. So gradually we build server and then we do the networking. Then people complaining that we have installed some software. I don't know. My software guy says that there's a problem with your networking or the problem with the hardware. Why don't you supply the software also? Then you can take care of the entire thing. We don't have to go different places for hardware for this guy, software for this guy. So we have taken authorization from Microsoft and so many other like Adobe authorization from these companies, and now we are the authorized partner of so many software as well as hardware giants, and we can provide the solution on behalf of them. So starting from hardware, software, networking, then cloud come up, and we started. We have a data center in recently. We also have an Indian company for the data center. So we provide the data center solution. So somebody wants the cloud solution, and with the cheapest one. So we provide the cheapest solution of whether you want a domain registration, or you want a web space, or you want an email server. Whether you wanted 2 email IDs or you wanted 200 or 2000 email IDs, we can cater all those things. And we have an operation of all the 3 big cloud player, Google, Amazon and Microsoft. Apart from this, we also have our own dedicated data center where we can provide a web space and email server and all. So if somebody wants the cheapest solution, we can provide them also. So this is the way we are going on. That's it.
So what do you want for? What are you looking for here?
As I told you that we have established business, and though we have automated lot of things, and we have a lot of companies where we the work is going on. We have some engineers deployed over there, some residential engineers they work full day over there also. So for big client we have put it like this. So I still have time. So in case if anybody want my brain to use on their own startup business or some kind of idea, so I'm open for that also. I can give business idea. I can work with them. I can help them to grow their business with the help of technology, with the help of business experience.
Are you providing IT services or are you providing development services or hardware? What is your revenue split?
I can't tell you my turnover of all those commercial things, but yes, what I can tell you is that we are into we provide hardware services is one part. We are into product selling and services.
What is your I mean to ask, what is your major revenue? Hardware, software, or services? Like IT, domain, email, this kind of IT services.
Earlier it was from hardware and networking, but now it has gradually shifted to cloud solutions. We are getting huge orders in cloud solutions.
Your main revenue is cloud services.
Because nowadays people don't really want the assembled machine. They want when they are getting a cheapest solution ready-made software on laptops and desktop. So people are getting less orders on these things. But yes, on the cloud we are getting big orders.
So how is it like you have cloud architects? So a friend of mine who is a cloud architect, and whenever a client comes in, they set it up, and because you're the authorized party, so through you they are getting that service. Is it like that, or are you giving a wholesome experience, like you are making custom softwares for them, or are you leveraging cloud and the out of the box features? Like your team, how are they doing it? Like, are you providing custom software, personalized, something like that?
So in terms of software, I'm telling you, we have authorization from a lot of third-party software vendors. So we provide the software, we sell the software, install them, giving the post-sale service support. So there's a software which is already available in the market. We don't design or customize the software. One part. In the cloud solution, yes, we have if somebody says that we want the entire office, we want to shift it to the cloud. or we want to a hybrid solution. We have that kind of arrangement. And in case somebody says that okay, I want some SaaS model, so we have solution for SaaS model also with the type of Google, Microsoft, and Amazon.
So basically migrating and preparing the infrastructure, whether it's hybrid or totally on-premise, yeah, matlab, those types, right? Okay. Facilitating basically.
Facilitating.
So
Okay.
you like just working as a reseller for the cloud services, or you providing managed services?
No. For we have both. For I told you that for like Google, Amazon, this thing we resell their products. But for our own data center, we have a managed solution. So we bought the
For the
entire.
cloud, you are not providing managed services, right? You understand managed services, right? Because it's like we procuring those server, whether we procure it or we procure it through you. You take care of the overall patching work, web application firewall setting up, whatever the plumbing which is required inside the cloud, right? Those kind of per VM usually people charge. So is that kind of service you providing, or is that only the reselling for the cloud services?
If you know something about like Google's or Microsoft how they work, or Amazon how they work, they appointed resellers. So you give them the order, you give them the business, and they do the entire thing. Even they have done their setup so efficiently. The end user can do the entire allocation and all those things. So for this user, I want this much of space. For I want this much of VM. I want this kind of active directories. So user can do their own. But yes, we only we are the reseller for these companies. But yes, for our own data center, we do the entire thing, starting from managing their servers, email hostings, anything. It goes wrong, we have to take care of. We give them the after the service also.
And your this data center is which cloud provider?
So that is somewhat confidential, can't tell you. But yes, we have two data center. One is in Pennsylvania, it's an international server, and in India, yes, we do have a center in Noida.
But if you're working with someone, then you need to
There are a lot
have
of-
to disclose that as well.
There are a lot of non-government companies also. They want the data center to be residing in India. So for them we have to give. But lot of SMEs, this is no. We want to give cheapest solution. Then we can give them the international service. So we have both the options. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.